Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create cinematic filter on CapCut Mobile. Okay, first of all guys, I'm going to open up the project I have just created on CapCut, and then I'm going to make this video looks more cinematic with adjustment. Okay, this is the original video, and I'm going to show you the adjustment that you need to apply to make your video looks more cinematic. Okay, let's go to the adjust feature, and then we're going to adjust the brightness. And for the brightness, I'm going to make it -3. Okay, like this. Oops, 3. And then for the contrast, I'm going to make it 7. And let's move to the saturation. We're going to make it 12. And then for the shadow, where is the shadow? Okay, right here. For the shadow, you're going to make it -7. All right, and then let's move to the sharpen. And for the sharpen, I'm going to make it 8. And move to the clarity, make it 40. All right, and then I'm going to go to the vignette. Okay, the vignette, I'm going to make it 8. Okay, done. And you can see the difference, right? Wait, I'm going to remove the adjustment. So this is the video before I apply the cinematic adjustment or filter, and this is after I apply adjustment. Yeah, it looks different, and this one is more cinematic than the original one. And you can save it, guys. Oops, we cannot save it. Wait, let's try preset. Okay, I'm gonna save this cinematic filter to the preset so I can use it anytime I need to make my video looks more cinematic. Okay, and actually to make your video looks more cinematic, you can add lot, but you can only add lot on the CapCut PC. So if you are using CapCut Mobile, you can do my tips. You can just do the adjustment for your video to make it more cinematic. And okay guys, that's how we can create cinematic filter on CapCut Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.